Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Lagrange token. Now before we start the video, let's share my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Lagrange LA is a decentralized infrastructure protocol that uses zero knowledge proofs to enable verifiable computation, primarily for artificial intelligence and blockchain scalability purpose. It solves the trust problem in AI and complex computations by cryptographically proving results are correct without revealing private data. Technology, its core is the Lagrange power network, a decentralized system that generates ZK proofs and deep proof, a ZKML library for verifying AI interferences. Token utility, the LA token is used to pay for proof generation, stake as collateral by network provers, and participate in governance and community perks. Lagrange project institution rating is 4.2. Lagrange token total supplies 1 billion and circulating supplies around 193 million LA token. LA token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, Bybit, and other exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 85% chances is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.